Shit. We are in the depths of Sofia. And we are trying to lose ourselves in here, which will be probably very, very easy to do. Let's go that way. And I think we lost ourselves in here. No, it's a dead end. I think there's a skinwalker in here, you know? Prava clipčica za YouTube. There's a skinwalker in here, probably. Like it's we're drinking rakia. Do you want to go check this place? Like, do you want to do it? Like you go first time. Really like scared to do this. It's dead end. So So what the fuck is this? Like it's is the fucking a tomb? Something like is there something here? No. Are there bones or something like this? Some kind of bones and shit. Shit. I think we hit the rock bottom dead end. Yeah. Oh, to the fuck go! Do you wanna go right there? Like, no, there's a hole. There's a freaking hole in there. Like the same hole we went through. Oh, and there are many, many, many fucking bushes in there.
Може би dead end.
It's a dead end.
Yeah.
Probably, most probably. Like it says. Pedofil. Гарга.
Тук има още.
Oh.
О, shit.
Какво?
Окото. Няма виж.
Like I don't want to really do this thing.
Те са били тук.
Like it's fucking sanctuary and shit. Oh, I don't think we have to go this way.
Да, да, виждам. Ако се изгубим, вече си ебем малата.
If we are getting lost and shit.
Трудно нямаме пиене.
Yeah, that's right.
Виж какъв пясък, брат, се носи на морето.
Yeah, it's sandy. Doom. It says doom, man. Should we really go?
Това е друг изказ.
Oh, so we went out.
Да, това е тук, където минахме.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we're near the central, the electricity central. We're making some power here. So let's go inside again. So these are the catacombs of Sofia. This is what the communists built a long time ago. Like, it's not a long time ago, it's 40 years ago, but it's a long time for me. Yeah. This is going right to YouTube. Let's go forward. Let's put this shit. Yeah, like, we can get it. Oh, come here. It's trashy and it's perfect for us. It's trashy. It's utter trash.
Oh shit, какво е това така?
It's soaking wet. Are there any ghosts in here? Fin, it says fin, it's end. This is the end. What?
Има някакви стълби, това е точно за блока отгоре.
Do we want to go there? Like,
Може би не.
there is like
Много е.
like stairs up. my bro said that there were stairs up, and I don't know really if I want to go to the stairs. Like, is anyone in here? Like, can anyone hear me? Did you hear that? Pluck, pluck. The pluck pluck came from there?
Да.
It's scary as shit.
Пак се виждаш тук.
Tree. What the fuck? Oh fuck. I think this place is fucked up. I think we shouldn't be here. Whoa. That's where we came. No, it's there. It's up there. I think we are lost. We're truly lost here. And I think by the power of Ra. And that's it. That's the way out. Let's check in here. Let's check in here. What does it say? Do we go? Or do we like scare ourselves and shit? It says T-I-R-T. Turt.
Ja, там има ли смисъл?
Yeah. Come. Fuck this shit.
Oh shit.
Come on. Like we are not going to get detained or something for this shit. Like I think you came here with the bro. Ето вече се загубим със сигурност.
Не, в крайна сметка ще намерим изход. Тук може да стигнем до колата. Не знам колата.
Видим се.
Oh shit.
There's like Cody Wavy.
Не. И сега гледаш как сме стали бутилката там и също сме минали тук.
I don't know, but we are getting lost in here. And I don't want to do that.
Да. Аре колата.
So we're getting to the tower. It's scary as shit in here. Like those are the catacombs. Like look at this shit. Like Paris catacombs. Nothing like it. Like we can. Like it's splendid that we are two of us here, because if it was only one person here, probably KO. Probably killed in action. Like this is not surreal. We are literally walking on shit in here. It's all going in the tube. Like we're catching. Whoa! What?
Oh shit.
Holy shit! And you came with the kids here? You came here with the kids? Дошъл си с кирцата тук, а? Кажи верно, бе.
Не. Съм с Кирчо. From the hood, на седеница.
С Кирчо Виячев ли си идвал тук? Ти си луд, бър.
Ще го вода, но той нещо не знам.
Whoa! Say a word.
Това е още ще си Кирчо.
Това си място за кирцата. Oh, those cables.
Сме толкова война си върши това. Щал се рисували. Аз тук си... Ах, майка ти стара. Пума. Много добре, че съм тук.
Вате, тук е за паста, вате.
Да, не по-добре повече хора да експлозва.
Shit,
Не си спомням кулата на къде, ама да не знам.
Не, да не продължаваме, защото вече ще почнем да влизаме на София някъде навътре.
Няма, бе. Колко?
И ще се изгубим и няма да се оправим, ще трябва цял ден.
Колко? Не.
Значи почваме да хващаш шубето,
Според
бе.
мен не е чак толкова голямо.
Like I'm getting really scared in here, like I'm not even tripping, like this shit.
Yo, bro, you're tripping.
No, I'm not tripping, like this shit is fucking scary.
Тук ти е за халюцигени.
Oh, no fucking way. No fucking way, no hallucinogens in here. I'm not doing this shit in here. Like, it's fucking shit. It's freaking scary, like there's arrows in here, like it's those the catacombs.
О, shit, точно така.
What?
Това е там. Натам няма смисъл, да.
Maybe that.
Много е кално. Не знам дали е натам кулата въобще. Ужас. Трябва да се дойде с бутуши със сигурност.
Yeah, с бутуши, ама не gets fucking out of here.
Не предвиди си чак това.
I'm not ready for this shit. Like, let's do this shit with many people. Like, not
Ма чакай.
just the two of us. What? I'm not exploring anymore,
Не
man.
само да видя.
No. Like, I'm sticking with you. Like, I want to go out. Like, I want to have a cigarette or something. This shit. Not this shit, man. Come on, let's get out. Let's get out, man. This is freaking scary, you know. I don't know what to fucking expect from all these corners and shit. Like, there can be like, like monsters and.
Добре, чай. Преди да не искаме там. В това да минем в друга зона.
There may be some hobos in here, like hobos, literally hobos, fucking hobos, with the wheelchair and with the.
Тук като да кажеш някакъв човек го убиеш, бата.
No way.
Няма да го намери. Я, само представям тук.
Не, брат. Чух някакви звуци, където не ги издахме ние. Да, не си хвая, бе.
Това е ехо. Искам само да видя дали кулата на тук, ако не съм гледал колко е тук.
Like it's long and shit. We're literally tingling the devil on his tail. I don't wanna do this.
We're searching for the stairway to hell.
God is with us. God Jesus Christ is with us. God give us strength. Christ give us help, give us strength. Run forest. Run forest. Run forest, run.
Виж колко стъпки има тук между другото.
God give us strength. God give us strength.
Припят.
Припят. Чудом. God give us strength. God give us strength.
Тук има.
God give us strength. God give us strength.
О, шит. Тук са.
God give us strength. Let's go. We came here for nothing. God give us strength. Blessed Father and Holy Son and the Spirit that lives inside us. It's the divine Spirit. We are God's children and we are protected by God. Jesus died on the cross for us. God give us strength. Holy Mary, Mother of God, give us virtue. Give us strength.
Остават 4 етажа.
This shit. God.
Ей. Ти си. Май, няма как.
Ne, zatrupano je. No oxygen. Like they smoked some wheat in here.
Ja, tam vnokra. In se vidi.
No oxygen, no. It's dead end. Like we have two tall guys, really tall guys, like 2 feet tall, and we are in these catacombs, and it's fucking ridiculous. I don't want this to continue. Like I want to get out. I can feel that there is no oxygen and there's only, how did you say it? It was radio. Radio. All this information is going to the tube. Like this is Sofia City in Bulgaria, and those are the catacombs of Sofia City. It's a really, really fucking scary place, and we're right now doing a review of a flashlight. This is the 6X SX 300. It's really good flashlight. Like it can do a very good job lighting the way. But we really, those stairs are like fucking.
We are back in.
Oh, we're here. Like those stairs were fucking forever or something. And it seems that there wasn't many people that came here, because if there was many people, it would probably be a lot of graffiti and shit.
When smo explorali kan 300 tam.
Where did he came? Where did we came from?
Yes, sir.
Let's get out of here, man. Let's get fucking out of here. I don't want to sit in here.
Тук е нещо важно.
Dead end.
Радона вече го усещаш, а?
I can sense the radon, like I can feel the radon. Like it's poisoning my lungs and shit. Oh. Fucking hell. Let's get out of here. Like, where did we came from? Left. Fast. We gotta be fast. I think we shouldn't be here. I can sense it. Like there is something following us.
Нещо не иска да сме тук.
Something is following us. It's a dark place. It's under the neighborhood of Wagera, which is very interesting. Wagera is a big neighborhood in Sofia. Really big neighborhood. Shit. Where did he came from? Forward, come on. Oh, like I want to smoke a cigarette. Like I'm drunk. I don't really smoke. I want to smoke. This was really, really stressing experience. They are coming to get you, Barbara. Oh, shit. Like, do we Bulgarians know who Barbara is? Who the fuck Barbara is? I think we got lost.
Сега се въртим в кръг и
Yeah. Like we got lost. We are in circles and shit. Yeah, this is probably what's going on. I'm never going to see my loved ones. Exit. It says exit here. I don't know if it's true, but it says exit here.
Все. Не сме на там тук.
Okay, I'm going to listen to you. But look at this.
Тоест не сме минавали от тук преди малко, но тук също излиза.
Okay. I'm going to listen to you.
Според мен.
Like I'm going to listen to you. Like you see all the process here. Like we're fucking lost already. We don't know where we're going to. There are windows. Yeah, my guy knows the way. Like he doesn't trust those fucking niggers and shit. Who said that the exit was that the other way? I think. Yeah. Oh shit. Finally. Some fresh air. No, we're not going to get buried in here. No. Like if we get buried in here, I'm going to fucking get us out of here, like, mate. It's not going to happen. We're out.
Izvuci čut, veronek izvuci za.
Yeah. I can't hear shit. But probably they are there. Fuck those shit. Those some devilish fools. We believe in Christ. We are orthodox and shit. And that was it. We introduced you the flashlight of X6 35B14. We came across some really fucking shit, some scary shit, but we never came across some devils and snakes and all the bats and birds and bullshit. So take care, all the tubers. God bless.